Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. I was literally telling Kate, this is so bad. I was literally telling Kate this morning because we are about to go to the gym right now. Oh, and my camera's blinking. Great. I'm literally so unprepared right now. I forgot why I'm here. Do you feel ready?
I'm so ready. It's crazy.
Okay, we're gymming this morning with some of our friends. Let's see if we can actually beat them up there though. I think we should get a head start. We've been traveling to all of these beautiful countries and I've been really on top of my game about filming in the countries, but not actually on the ship. So today you're getting a day in the life of a semester C student, a bunch of semester C students, because you're gonna meet all of my friends today. And then yeah, we're gonna go have my favorite meal of the day.
Hungry hippo.
So I've gotten a bunch of questions about these sticky notes because I've shown them a little bit in my videos, but basically we don't have great Wi-Fi on the ship, so one of the ways that you communicate is with sticky notes. And this is my side, so if I am at the spa on this day, I put the sticky note here, Kate puts her sticky note here, and then if we're both somewhere, then it goes up top. Yeah, this is my attempt at making it feel like fall. Okay, I forgot my phone. So there's two gyms on the ship. There's the outdoor one, and then we're going to the indoor one, which is one more floor down. It's probably not safe that I'm walking and filming right now though.
And it's wet.
Well, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We're at the ripe time of 6:30. How are y'all feeling?
Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces, except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smile.
Workout is done. It's breakfast time, so we're eating at Lido today. Best part about waking up early is seeing the sunrise, because you really don't get this view anywhere else around the world. Guys, I don't know what to wear. Okay, today we're dressing preppy and cute. I got these shoes from Zara. Oh, I love this song!
You're putting me on.
Guys, I'm putting Kate on a country music one day at a time. I got these shoes from Zara because my Hoka's literally got destroyed from Club Havana in Malta. So we're wearing these today. First time. God, I love this song so much.
She'll call you darling, I smile in the mirror when I say my new last.
So I'm kind of pressed for time right now, but we're gonna do a speedy, quick little makeup look. We just left Greece and we're gonna be at sea for 12 days. But personally, I'm excited for these next 12 days. And I think it'll be good because I wanted to film a week in my life on semester at sea because Sea Olympics and Halloween is coming up on this 12-day stretch.
I'm stealing another piece of gum. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Everything's unplugged.
And what happens to all that stuff we buy? Where does it eventually end up?
I finished journaling the whole day. I did like 30 more minutes. Hi guys.
It's so debrief time. It's debrief time after global studies. Today was a really good lecture. Learned
How
about
do you know
garbage.
about
There's Timothy.
So sinless.
Today is 12 days of facts. How long does it take a sloth to digest its food?
36 hours.
48. I'm gonna go 72. We decided to come to Berlin to do some work today. The reason why I love this place is because the view is just way better than Lido. Right now I'm working on drafting up 5 questions for my global studies class. Schooling is much easier than like going back to college in Idaho. And the reason why I say this is because we actually get to draft up questions that are going to be on our exam. And yeah, we're writing the test basically. And also, did you guys see today that the exam, you can take as many times as you want anywhere, but we have to write questions, that's our assignment. So I'm gonna do that right now. It's 3:38 p.m. and I have class at 3:40, which means we need to start walking upstairs. I just took like the best nap ever. Being on this ship, your time is very, very stretched out because there's only so many places to go, which means that naps are pretty much a part of every single Voyager's day. If I don't get my nap in, then I have an awful night's sleep and just like a horrible day in general. I can check that off the list. I'm also kind of hungry, so I might bring a little snack to my next class. If you remember from day 1, this was filled all the way, and I'm kind of making a dent in it, but for the most part, I'd say everything is pretty much still there. I think I'm gonna have a Bobo's, or I don't know. Maybe I'll do a Nature Valley bar. That sounds good. Just got out of my individual and family development class. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I'm done for the day because it's currently 6:15 and my first class was at 8:30 a.m. So I had the super early morning class and then a big long break until 3:40 and then I had one at 5:10. So your girl is tired. Dinner is in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna start heading up there soon, but I got to read outside today. I wanted to tan, but then I didn't want to change out of my outfit because it's just like a whole fiasco. Tomorrow I think I'm actually gonna tan, and I'm like, we have C meetings tonight and a big talk in the union about if we're gonna be going to Oman. So basically we were supposed to go to Jordan and then we got rerouted and our fallback port was Oman. Then there was something with Yemen that happened last night and the US issued this huge travel warning, and so now everybody thinks that we're not even going to be able to go there. We might have to cut the voyage short. I don't really know, but ultimately, you know, whatever happens, and this is a time where the semester C students do not need to be selfish. I'm so fortunate to be here right now that even if our route and voyage gets canceled or cut short or whatnot, that's completely okay with me as long as we're safe and everybody else is safe. Kind of unfortunate, trying to stay optimistic, but I will give you guys an update tonight because yeah, we've got the big announcement and talk on what is happening.
Oh my god, hello cutie pies. Love this girlie right here. We are about to do a ballroom dancing.
She literally teaches this, y'all. Like, I wish.
She's gonna do great.
Usually, what do you teach?
We're gonna do some ballroom today, and we already did hip hop and reggaeton.
I'm so excited. All right, let's do this. So we just got an update that we think we're gonna be turning around. Just a rumor right now though. We'll confirm in like 5 minutes.
So, to get to where we want to go, we'll be heading west. We're going to be heading west, moving faster as a ship, with a goal to go around the Horn of Africa.
Okay guys, where are we going?
Going around Africa. We're going to Africa, which is where I live.
Basically, we're getting rerouted. We have no idea the exact places, but we will end in Thailand. We have to end in Thailand somehow, some way. Fingers crossed. So insert a map. We're going around the Horn of Africa now. We're not doing the Suez. How do y'all feel? Are you excited?
I'm excited because I really wanted to hit Africa, and then when we missed Morocco in the first place, I was really bummed, but like everything happens for a reason.
Everything does happen for a reason.
All my friends Snapchat. I think it's gonna last till like
Get in there.
at least
My bet's on 3.
2.
You're gonna make it to my sister.
4? Okay, I think I can make it to 4.